semuanya, kembali lagi bersama saya Noviani. Pada pertemuan kali ini kita akan membahas mengenai penganggaran modal atau capital budgeting. Capital budgeting definition. Capital budgeting is the complete process of analysis project and determining which project fall within the capital budget, or it can also be interpreted as the entire planning and description making process regarding the payment of fund there where the refund period exceed 1 year. The 1 year limit is not absolute. Capital budgeting steps. There are 6 steps in capital budgeting. 1. Basic research. Is the project or investment implementation plans must be supported by data and information. For this reason, it is necessary to conduct pilot studies or sector studies to obtain data or information in the preparation of project proposals. 2. Making proposals. Capital goods budget proposals are made at all levels in a business organization to simulate the flow of ideas. Many companies offer cash award for adopted proposal. 3. Study and analysis. Capital goods budgeting proposals are formally reviewed in order to accept the company main goals and plans, and most importantly to evaluate its economic capabilities. 4. Decision making. The size of the amount of funds spent and the importance of capital goods budgeting result the particular level or organization that making budget decision. 5. Implementation. Once a proposal has been approved and the funds are ready, the implementation phase begins immediately. 4. Small expense. Budgeting is created and payment are made directly. However, for large amount of budgeting, strict supervision is needed. 6. Follow-up. Once implemented, monitoring needs to be carried out during the ongoing operational activity phase of the project. Appraisement of the existing costs and expected benefit of various frameworks project is vital. When the cost incurred exceed the set budget, action must be taken immediately to stop them when by increasing benefit or stopping the project. 5 types of investment projection. The investment appraisal method is a way to identify the level of risk and interest in investing capital. 1. Payback period. Payback period is one the simplest methods. The methods calculate the time result to recoup the initial cost of an investment because on cash flow simple path. PB is the leg of time and investment reaches the break-even point. Break-even point. A short payback period indicates a more active investment. To net value present NVP. NVP is the ratio of the difference between the price value of cash inflow and the present flow of cash outflow over a certain period of time. The NPV value can be used to calculate the value of money and complete similar investment alternative. In the NPV value in positive, then the investment should be made. This method is considered the best investment appraisal methods. Next, value present and NPV investment appraisal methods formula. NPV sama dengan net value in the present, RT net cash flow in out during the investment period. I sama dengan interest rate atau persen. T atau T investment period. In sample from NPV also be calculated as follows. NPV present value of expected cash flow, present value of money invested. Next, 5 times of investment projection. 3. Internal rate of return IRR. IRR is a method used to estimate the possibility of the investment in question. The IRR value can be calculated using the following formula. IRR internal rate of return, NPV net value in the present, CT net cash inflow during the investment period, CO atau C kosong initial investment capitals, T sama dengan investment period. 4. Accounting rate of returns atau ARR. ARR is an investment capture method to measure the amount of profit obtained from an investment. The formula the ARR assessment method is ARR sama dengan laba bersih tahunan rata-rata dibagi dengan investasi awal dikali 100%. And 5. Profitability Index or PI. The Profitability Index is a method of measuring the ratio of the present value of future investment flow to the initial investment amount. PI value greater that is contact a good investment. The profitability index value can be calculated using the following formula. Indeks profitabilitas sama dengan nilai sekarang dari arus kas di masa depan dibagi dengan nilai investasi awal. Next, capital bridging techniques. 1. Back period. 2. Discounted repayment. 3. Next present value. 4. Expected rate of return. 5. Modified IRR. Next, payback period. Payback period is the length of time it takes to recover the cost of an investment, or the length of time an investor needs to reach a given point. Shorter paybacks mean more attractive investment with longer pay period are less desirable. The means that the formula can be written as follow. PP sama dengan investment dibagi dengan process with. PP sama dengan payback period, project's net cash flows. Next, pay period with discount. The discount pay period is one of the criteria used to determine whether an investment project can be accepted or rejected. Next, profitability index. Profitability index sama dengan PV of future cash flows dibagi dengan initial investment. Next, net present value. Net present value the from rumus NPV sama dengan C T atau cash flow per years in a calendar period. C1, C2 sama dengan C1. Next, online support. The internal rates of return IRR formula is as follows. Next, modified IRR. IRR, modified internal rate of return, is a method of calculating the rate of return that combines cash inflow and cash outflow from an investment project while considering the time value of money. Nah, mungkin itu saja yang dapat saya sampaikan. Kita akan melanjutkan pertemuan yang selanjutnya di video yang selanjutnya. Thank you.